Hello everybody, my name is Federico and in these videos I'm gonna show you a little boat I recently bought and now I'm gonna restore it at the lowest cost for using it this summer. So the boat is 4.2 meters long. It should have been a 4-seater, but now it's raw as you see it. The previous owner has stripped all the interior to make space for fishing nets. The boat came with a 25 horsepower motor, it's a Yamaha 2-strokes, and it runs about fine. In this video I will proceed to strip her down, in order to sand her and apply fresh paint. At first, I'm going to remove everything from the inside, starting from these wood panels that the previous owner has placed instead of the seats. The panels were held down by some rusty screws, and as I can't take them off, I decided to grind them away. Now I'm removing the control box. This one also seemed to work fine, so I'm gonna keep it and service it. Then I'm stripping down this strange steering system, and I'm going to replace it with ordinary Ultraflex cables. The wheel was stiff, so the only option was to destroy it. It doesn't matter, it was scrap from an old car. After I removed the windshield and other small details. And also these side old lights. Next, I'm removing the two old oar locks. I'm going to keep them. I'm also going to remove the motor from painting and servicing. So I'm removing that strange steering cable and control box connection. And here you go, motor removed. I then decide to put the boat down on an angle in order to clean some dirt from the inside. I'm also scrubbing some other dirt here and there. I also gave a light wash to the windshield, that has a very small crack, but it's actually okay. I will try to polish it. Then I decided to trim down an excess of fiberglass that was applied before. In the next video I will start the bodywork and repair it, before sending the boat down. Thanks for watching and let's see you in the next week.